Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, SACE Guntur Official. My name is Ramarao Bandlamudi, Director of Sandhya Academy of Competitive Examinations. I have 23 years experience in teaching, guiding and mentoring the students. In the last class, I explained about what is the weightage of network analysis and what is the syllabus of network analysis in the GATE. Today, we will go to some important concept that is called basic elements in electrical circuits and one more thing, source transformation. So, we know the basic elements in the electrical circuit is resistors, inductors, capacitors and sources, that is nothing but voltage and current sources. You know friends, what is the meaning of resistor? The property of a material which opposes the current is called resistor. We know the symbol is like this, right? So definitely in our classes I explained why we will take like this the symbol. You know what about R is equal to V by I? So this is the symbol, basic fundamental. Again next one is inductor. So what is the meaning of inductor means? The property of a material which opposes the variation of current is called inductor, right? So L is equal to di by dt. So this is, we know, Ohm's law fifth form. So this is the main important. So what is the important of inductor means? Just to create the flux. Again that flux is stored in the form of magnetic field. We know that is half Li square. Again one more thing is called capacitor. Right? What is the capacitor is? The property of material which opposes the variation of current means. So what is the capacitor means? So two conducting plates separated by a dielectric material is called capacitor. The property of a capacitor which stores electrical energy is called capacitance. So what is the capacitance main role? It doesn't allow sudden change in voltage. Right? So that's why capacitor is the main role in our electrical energy. And one more thing is called sources. Right, here the main source is called voltage source. We know voltage source. It may be DC or AC. So voltage source. Again one more thing is called current source. Voltage source is available, but current source we are creating. Source transformation technique. So we have two types of sources. One is called voltage source and current source. So voltage source, right? The internal resistance is connected in series with the voltage. Now, what about the voltage source is two types. One is called ideal voltage source and one more is called practical voltage source. What is the meaning of ideal voltage source means? The internal resistance is equal to 0. Internal resistance is equal to 0. So, internal resistance 0 means output we are getting which one friends? Vs. Means what about ideal voltage source means the input will be equal to output. That is called ideal voltage source. So, Ri is equal to 0. Where about the practical voltage source means input is not equal to output, means input minus drop will be equal to output, means that is if Ri is not equal to 0, that is called practical voltage source. Where about this is called Ri is equal to 0, that is called ideal voltage source. Where about current source? Again same, the current source is two types. One is called ideal current source, one more is called practical current source. Sir, what is the meaning of ideal current source is? Same thing. The input current is same as output current. That is called ideal current source. For ideal current source, what is the internal resistance is equal to infinity. Means the current is not going this side. Means this current is going only outside. Again, practical current source means the internal resistance is not equal to infinity. So means friends, that input is goes internal resistance, again output. So here I am giving only fundamentals. If you want to write a show by subject level, so you try to join in our SACE ongoing batches. Then I will give total details. So I will give total details in our description. Thanks for watching this video.